Are seed oils actually bad for your health, or are they misunderstood? Today, we're breaking down the science behind popular seed oils like canola, soybean, sunflower, safflower, and corn oil, especially how they affect inflammation, heart health, and long-term wellness for people living in the USA and Europe. Before we start, health info like this comes every week, so for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. What are seed oils? Seed oils are oils extracted from seeds such as soybeans, sunflower, canola, sesame, corn. These oils are very common in the USA and Europe because they're cheap, easy to cook with, and last long on shelves. Most packaged foods, restaurants, and fast food chains use these oils. Number 2. Why do seed oils have a bad reputation? The controversy comes from two major concerns: high omega-6 fatty acids. Seed oils contain omega-6 polyunsaturated fats, which are essential for the body. But many American and European diets have too much omega-6 and too little omega-3. Some studies suggest excess omega-6 may promote inflammation if consumed in very high amounts. B. Processing methods. Many seed oils are refined using high heat, chemical extraction, deodorizing. This process can create oxidized fats, which may not be ideal for long-term health. Number 3. What doctors and research actually say. Here's the science-backed truth. Seed oils are not harmful when used in moderation. Major health organizations in the USA and Europe, including the American Heart Association and European Food Safety Authority, agree that polyunsaturated fats can be heart-healthy. Scientific findings show they can help lower bad LDL cholesterol. They may support better heart health. They are better than saturated fats from butter or processed meat. So the problem isn't seed oils themselves, it's overconsumption, especially from processed foods. Number 4. When can seed oils become harmful? Seed oils become less healthy mainly when they're overheated. Deep frying creates harmful compounds called aldehydes. Frequent consumption of deep-fried foods may increase health risks. B. Consumed excessively. Most Americans and Europeans eat seed oils daily from chips, cookies, breads, restaurant foods, fast foods. This creates an imbalanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, which some studies suggest may contribute to inflammation. C. Mixed with trans fats. Budget oils sometimes have small amounts of trans fat. Trans fats are truly harmful. They increase heart disease risk. Number 5. Healthier alternatives to seed oils. You don't need to avoid seed oils completely, but you can rotate with healthier options like extra virgin olive oil, best for heart health; avocado oil, cold-pressed sesame oil; flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3; walnut oil. Using a combination of oils gives you a more balanced fat profile. Number 6. Healthier ways to use seed oils. If you prefer to continue using seed oils, here are doctor-recommended tips. Use them for low-medium heat cooking. Try not to deep fry. Avoid reheating the same oil. Reheated oils generate harmful chemicals. Combine with omega-3 rich foods, such as salmon, sardines, chia seeds, walnuts. This helps balance your fatty acid ratio. Choose cold-pressed versions. They are less processed and retain more nutrients. Number 7. What about canola oil specifically? Canola oil gets a lot of online criticism, but research shows it has low saturated fat, some omega-3 content, good heart health profile. So unless you have an allergy, moderate canola oil use is not harmful. Number 8. The final verdict. So, are seed oils bad for you? Here's the honest, doctor-approved answer. Seed oils are not harmful when consumed in moderation, especially if they're minimally processed and not overheated. The real problem is overusing seed oils from processed foods, which leads to inflammation and poor nutrition. If you want better health, limit packaged foods, use a variety of oils. Increase omega to 3 intake. Prefer home cooking. This balanced approach is safe, healthy, and scientifically proven. Number 9. Closing message. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with others. Health topics like this come every week, so for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.